Are you a risk averse investor? Then your investment choices are limited. Can investing in hybrid funds be considered as a good choice for you? We have our investment expert Mr. Gurraj with us. Gurraj, please enlighten us more on this hybrid funds and its types.
If you are not willing to take risk, or you are looking at a time horizon of less than 6 years and greater than 3 years, then only these categories of funds will be useful. Say, for example, you have a 5 year time period to accumulate for the down payment for buying your house, right? Maybe I will look at a balance advantage category that time, where the asset allocation, we call that as the dynamic asset allocation, the last one, because the equity portion will be dynamically managed. Maybe if I have a 5 year time horizon, I may invest in those kind of funds, right? Or even a conservative hybrid where only 25% equity. I may go for these funds, right? So, based on your goal, as I said, the starting point of all your investments is the goal and the time horizon, right? And of course, how much risk you want to take. So, basically, when I will go for a hybrid fund, if my time horizon is anywhere between 3 to 6 years, so based on that, whether I'll go for a aggressive hybrid or a conservative hybrid or a balanced one. So for especially if you are a retired person, you can go for a balanced advantage fund for some portion of your capital, right? Because the risk is less, asset allocation is happening.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.